The piece we're going to sing today is called I Dreamed of Rain. And it's by a singer-songwriter named Garrett, who, quite frankly, I had never heard of. But she has had quite an extensive career, toured with John Denver, the Dirt Band. And Lorene discovered this song a couple of years ago, and we've been planning on singing it, but and so we've been working on it, but we wanted to share what she's written about this song. Oh, interesting thing about Jan Garrett, something I've never heard of. She is a certified laughing instructor. That's a job I'd like to have. But Jan Garrett's from Colorado, and so I'm sure everybody has their own image of Colorado, rivers, mountains, luscious valleys. But this is what she says about this song. It had been a particularly hot, dry year in 2002, and wildfires were raging across much of the western U.S. The political scene felt equally troubling and out of control to me. The American government seemed intent on invading Iraq. It was as if the whole world was on fire. In the midst of all this unrest, I began to have dreams of rain, the kind of luscious, healing rain that comes to renew the natural world and the human soul after a long drought. The words and music for this song are a direct translation of that exhilarating feeling. We no longer have to repeat the mistakes of our ancestors. We are free to forgive, release the pain, and start over again with a clean slate. I dreamed of rain.
I dreamed of rain, and the rains came, soft and easy, sweet and clear. I dreamed of rain, and the rains came, and peace spread over the land. I dreamed of summer, and the winds changed, and the green was easy, and the rivers ran clear. I dreamed of summer, and the winds changed, and peace spread over the land, and the flowers bloomed in the desert, and the air is fresh and clear. I dreamed of rain, and the rains came, and peace spread over the land. I dreamed of freedom, and the moon rose, and the way was easy, and the path was clear. I dreamed of freedom, and the moon rose, and peace spread over the land, and the guardian stars are shining, and the night is bright and clear. I dreamed of freedom, and the moon rose, and peace spread over the land. I dreamed of heaven, and the earth sang, and the sound was easy, the song was clear. I dreamed of heaven, and the earth sang, and peace spread over the land, and the ancient pain is forgotten, and the Father's debts are clear. I dreamed of heaven, and the earth sang. Peace spread over the land. I dreamed of rain, and the rain I dreamed of